Hi, I'm Raphael. Welcome to Tableside Talks.
Episode 6, Safety First.
One thing when you're camping that is very important is safety. Safety comes in all shapes and sizes. Safety can be as little as a Band-Aid or as big as making sure your trailer is properly secured. But one thing that is overlooked is the first aid kit. And making sure you have a well-stocked one is vitally important to a safe camping experience. You can either stock one yourself, you can buy a pre-made one, looks much like this. It's just very important to not overlook something as small as this in the overall scheme of your camping experience. Let us know in the comments what you think is vital for your first aid kit or for safety in general when you're camping. Thank you.
Do you have a tip you want to share? If so, email us at tablesidetalks@nucamprv.com. We would love to hear from you. Thanks for joining us. See you next time.